Hey, what's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's super useful for anyone looking to share their stream library with family. How to share game in a stream in 2025. Valve has made some changes, so let's get to the speed so you can share the fun. Okay, so here's the deal. Stream has a features called Steam Families that lets you share eligible game with other members. Think of the way to share your digital game collections with your household, but keep in mind sharing has its limit. Only one person can play a shared copy of a game at a time. So if you and sibling both we can play the same game together, your family need to own two copies of the game. So not every game can share. You can check if the game is shareable on its Steam store pages under the features list. Creating the Steam family. Let's get into step to create Steam family. First, log into the Steam account. Click on the profile and name the select and account details. Next on the side, you can see the family management. Click and then choose the create a family. Give your family a name and click the create button. Now click the invite members button and then select the search friend list. Choose the person you want to invite. Select a role the person you are inviting. Choosing child, you will enable parental control for the user. Click the invite button. Joining a Steam family. Now, for the person joining the family, sign into the invited Steam account on the PC and the same household to open the account details. Go to the family management and select the joining family. Accept the invite and click the confirm. Lastly, go to the email and click the join family button. Once you are a Steam family, you can view the Steam family library by going to your account details and switching the family management page. Here you can select a library and view all of the included games that are eligible to be shared. Remember, if the game is refunded, it's removed from everyone's library also. If you leave a Steam family, you can't join new one for a year. This is to prevent people from abusing and share features. And that's it. You are now ready to share your game with the Steam family. This is a great way to let your family member experiences and game you love. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials.